Hey guys, Killstokes here with a quick trading lesson for you. In this past weekend's Trading Edge video, I shared with you a buying opportunity on the Euroyen. And what happened next was, well, hands down, one of the most pain-free winners that I've had all year. Nearly 300 pips straight up between Sunday and Tuesday. Now, I usually don't do follow-up videos like this. My goal isn't to jump in after a move is made and say, hey, look how great this trade is and look how great I am. I'd rather share ideas before they happen. That way you can see the analysis and you can see the good results and you can see the poor results, right? That's what the reality of trading looks like. But after getting a ton of questions about how I actually got involved in this trade, I realized that it was the perfect teaching moment. Now, before we jump in, let me warn you, this video isn't flashy. There's no secret indicator, no crazy strategy, nothing really exciting at all. In fact, it's about as simple and as boring as trading can get. But here's the thing. Good trading is boring, and I'd much rather be bored and profitable than excited and broke. So in this video, I'll take you inside our live trading room from this morning, recap the Euro-Yen trade, walk you through step by step my exact thought process that led to the entry. So grab your pen, take some notes, pay attention, because the next time this setup shows up, you'll know exactly what to do. All right, let's dive in. I don't really want to look at Euro-Yen, but we'll click on it really quickly. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, look at that. We hit targets. Oh, yeah. Oh, give me a second. I did not even, that's what I get for not paying attention. Hold on. Roll that up to break even. I'm happy. Yeah, I did not know. I usually have my laptop up. I don't have it. Well, it's up, but I've been cleaning my desk lately, so it's in a different place. But yeah, let's look at Euro-Yen and show you guys how great I am. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, cool stuff. Cool stuff. Still looking for more. But cool stuff. Let's talk about counter trend trading opportunities, perhaps. I don't think we're going to have much, but let's talk about counter trend trade. And this was the trade we spoke about in the weekend video. Since you hit targets, can you redo the trade? Retake it? Oh no, explain the idea. Yeah, sure. Yeah, this was the one from the weekend video. Shame on you guys for not watching the weekend video. You've just exposed yourself. How dare you? How dare you? I take hours out of my weekend to produce that video, sharing with you the top trading ideas that are on my radar for the week ahead and trading tips that will help you progress throughout your trading journey. And you don't even watch it. How dare you? All right. So Euro-Yen, we were looking for a pullback trade, right? We still have our bullish bias, the same one that we spoke about for the last 4 months, the one that goes back to 1990, right? And what we did was we were pulling back. And this was the cool one where I said we had like 18 things happening on the RSI. So we had, well, let me ask you guys first and foremost, let's see if this is, what do we have here? Yeah, make sure you leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, share with a friend. What else am I supposed to say? Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to say for YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe, share with a friend, rate, review. Yeah, look at that. Another head and shoulders, right? This is where we first spoke about it in the thing yesterday. Yes, another head and shoulders pattern right at the top of here. So we had a few things happening here. We had a pullback. Does anyone remember what I call this? I don't talk about it a lot. This is more of a day trading thing. But anyone remember what I call this? RSI swap, where the RSI goes directly from an oversold or overbought condition to an oversold condition, right? We had, what else? I don't know if there's any emoji for this. RSI divergence. What type of divergence? Hidden divergence, right? So we have, at the time, it was higher lows on our price chart and lower lows on our RSI, right? So hidden divergence, this is a good sign for a trend continuation, right? And then of course, the easiest thing right there, what's the easiest thing? The common thing that we usually look for, the traditional thing. Yeah, RSI oversold, right? And again, I hate to kind of burst your bubble, but all this is a pullback trade. Price action put in a new structure high. We put in a retracement down to our previous outside return. We had all that RSI stuff happening, and we had a higher high, higher close. Sorry. For you guys that are new to the room, I apologize, but my trading style is simple. It's very boring. It's not flashy. Doesn't wow you. There's not a lot of bells and whistles. I pretty much do like the same two things, just in different ways. But yeah, higher high, higher close entry. Was worried I wouldn't get the risk reward, but we did get the risk reward. And boom. Slept like a baby. Or didn't sleep at all. One of the two. But yeah, does that make sense, guys? Just a pullback trade. Price action put in a new structure high. Pulled back. RSI confluence. Some clues here. And then boom. Nice and simple. Yep, just how I like it. Got surprised in the live room with profits a few minutes ago. You guys saw my emotional side. Oh wow, whoa, what the heck? Made money? I was supposed to sound like I should have sounded like this. Oh, Euroyen won. Knew that would happen. But instead, you got like the unfiltered. Oh, what? Really? We're like, oh, right. So after 20 years of trading, guys, I'm still the same way. Like I told you this before, but this is a mental preparation. I go in every trade expecting to lose. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. I have the poker to gambling mentality of like once I put my chips in the middle of the table, I expect to never get those chips back. Chips being my risk, and that's part of my mentality in general. I am more, I don't want to call it pessimistic, but I tend to prepare for the worst. But mentally it helps me too, because mentally when I lose, now it's not a big deal. Like if I go into something expecting to win and I lose, now I'm like sad, right? Because I lost. If I go into something and I'm like, hey, fully expecting like I can lose. If I do lose, then I've already kind of went down that mental road. It's just like, okay. And therefore I don't get any, like, I don't try to get emotional revenge. I don't like revenge trade or like do something dumb. And if it wins, that's bonus. Oh yeah, look at that win. So like the reward is on the winning side. The emotional reward is on the winning side versus the emotional punishment being on the losing side. So that's just something I do to kind of stay balanced in the market. So I don't get too high, I don't get too low. But I do get surprised every time I win, despite being a consistently profitable trader for so long. I'm still like, hey, look at that. What do you know? Stuff still works. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you liked the conversation and the analysis, I invite you to come join the fun. Jason and I run a New York session and a London session live trading room 3 times a week. And honestly, it's an awesome place to connect with other traders, break down the markets, do live analysis, and just get real-time reps in a very structured environment. Both live rooms are available for your 14-day risk-free trial membership, so you can check out everything with absolutely no commitment. I'd love to see you in there, and be on the lookout for a brand new Trading Coach podcast video edition dropping tomorrow, where we'll be talking about using AI in your trading. Until next time, plan your trade, trade your plan. Take care.